So what you're looking at is our most recognizable of the woolly bear caterpillar species, the banded woolly bear caterpillar, or the technical name is the Isabella tiger moth. We're really not sure where the Isabella part came from, but had to come from somewhere. So here's some fun facts about this little guy. Their habitat is basically they're found anywhere where plants grow. You usually can see them crossing roads or sidewalks in search for shelter for places where they will overwinter. Some of the foods that they will eat is a great variety of plants, including maple and elm trees, grasses, sunflowers, clovers, and more. The adults we usually see flying from early April to September, and this is actually what they look like, a very pretty reddish tanned brown coloration. And what's really neat about this species is they have a natural antifreeze inside their bodies. And what's really neat is it helps prevent them from completely freezing over, helps protect the brain and other vital organs from shutting down or getting damaged. But once it starts warming up, it basically helps them thaw out. Now, those little hairs are called sentes. It just helps them with thermal regulation. They will actually use those hairs to help form their cocoon as well. These guys are used to help predict the winter as well, like groundhogs and other animals. Actually, up in Vermilion, Ohio, they do have the Woolly Bear Caterpillar Festival, just like we have the Buckeye Chuck prediction in Marion, Ohio. They basically look at the black bands. There are 13 segments on this caterpillar, like the 13 weeks of winter, and it basically predicts of how severe or how bad it's going to be. The thicker the black band is, the more severe the winter. The less black and the thinner it is, the more mild the winter will be. But this is just the folklore, just like the Groundhog Day prediction. But as you can see on this chart, the problem is all these woolly bears come in a lot of different color variations. So I could look at one caterpillar and say, oh, we're going to have a great winter. And you could look at another woolly bear caterpillar and say, oh, it's going to be a very harsh winter.